Okay. Snip this. Aw, the cat is welcoming me. So nice. Oh wait, I wanna go here. Somehow it's not working. Where is the editor chat? Nice. Hey Oknak, are you here already? Oh no, another spam. Hey Oknak, something more. Uh, yeah, yeah, he read my mind. He was like, "Oh, I can help you with that. I can definitely help you with that." Okay, I'm just wondering why the bot isn't actually working. Alknock, do you have any idea why the stream cord bot isn't posting about the stream? Is there some reason behind it? Maybe I just broke it with some unexpected stream. Oh, so we'll probably be okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait if someone else wants to see this. I'm not sure how this works, to be honest, because in the rules they have something like they take the statistics for the last 30 days. So if I got the first followers earlier, so it might be less than now, than the 36. Yeah, that I already have. I think I have like 30 what? Yeah, 36. Okay, anyway, I'm just hey Artax, hi. So I thought we could try the leaderboard on the map with the balls, and we can try it out. So I don't want to ruin this scenario in case something goes south. So I'm just gonna take the base for the game with me and create a new game for that. Now I'm just gonna create a new game. It doesn't matter with these things. It's okay. And this is gonna be dusts. Okay. Finish. Wait, I could create empty world and just build some obstacles. I like it. Yeah. Yeah, because the original idea was about throwing the basketballs, and then we are thinking about how to detect the collisions there. Yeah, I remember that very well. It looks like we found a way around it. If you can't control it, just control the ball itself. Oh, well, I didn't think this through. I need some base. I'm gonna use these striped blocks and zero out the position. Yeah. So this is gonna be the center of our map. it. I don't want all of them to be like that. I mean, it doesn't really matter how it looks. I just, yeah, you know. Hi, Mello. Okay. So let's use the basketball base. Move it a bit out of the way. And there's gonna be the spawn point here. Okay, so oh yeah, the storage as well. So the idea is to make some game where we collect points, and I'm just gonna create the simple system for collecting the. Oh yeah. I already know. I already got the something more thing finally. I think you guys explained it to me at the very beginning, but I didn't really get it from that. But when you explained it for the second time, I was like, oh yeah, it makes sense. I didn't think it through with the empty map. So I was gonna create something where you like collect points, and then who collects the most wins, and you know is stored in the leaderboard with the highest score and stuff like that. But if we make it like this, it would be very hard to spawn the points. So of course I messed up. Okay, it's okay. I'm just gonna create another one with the terrain this time. The original idea I had for this, for one of the maps with the baseballs, is something where you have to cross obstacles and can't fall down with the basketball. This is gonna be collecting points, easy. Sure, save. Okay, so sorry about creating 3 different versions of the game before we even start. Okay, so yeah, just place in the basketball base. I hate when I'm redoing stuff so much. Should be the one, yeah. I'm just adding a storage. So it doesn't really matter what I have in the base, since that it's just for moving with basketball. But let's just create a lever that will take all the players that are online and will assign, you know, the balls to them. What did I want to say? I want to turn off the oh, right, cool. So now it's gonna be a multiplayer game. This is just gonna be start the game, just so we don't lose the time with actually setting up anything else. Add script. No. Get players. Cool. So for each. On switch on, and now we can say spawn. Oh yeah, I already created a function for that. Player will be the item, position will be let's say some variable. This is gonna be some vector, and we're just gonna be increasing it just so we don't spawn everyone at the same place. The ball template will be game logic. The position will be this variable, and then we're gonna set the variable to variable plus 1 on the x, so we spawn next to each other, right? I hope so, yeah. Okay, so now now we're gonna be spawning the player. Now we just need something to collect. So some trigger zone. What could a basketball be collecting? I have no idea. It doesn't really matter, does it? So let's say the basketball is gonna be collecting mushrooms now. Coconuts. That makes no sense. Ah, I'm losing so much time with. Oh wait, look, it's Easter. Let's say egg. It's too small. Oh, we have Easter eggs, right? Okay, so I'm gonna take. Yeah. What? These are too small. Okay, so only these three. Then I need template. We're gonna be selecting randomly from these when we spawn them. Oh, I'm gonna be publishing it when we finish this anyway, because we're gonna be trying out if it works, right? If the leaderboard itself updates. So I will definitely publish it by the end of the stream. But it's not gonna be it's not gonna be good or anything. Let's just it's really gonna be just a test. No game logic label. Okay, so we're gonna be spawning random egg from these labels, and we're gonna need storage, right? Because we need to store the information about which egg is in which game logic in this trigger zone. So game logic storage, and it's gonna have some variable called egg, and it's gonna be just a visual. So I think what we can do is wait. Oh right. Oh no, I can't weld them if I already. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna weld them and turn off the colliders, because sometimes in multiplayer this can cause some delay before it just deletes itself. Hey Spirit, hi. I can't see the. How did I close the chat again? Is there a way to close it sooner? Ah, cool. Oh, I didn't even weld it. Colliders enabled. No. This weld. Colliders enabled. Good. So just repeat the same thing that I did before. And yes, so now we have this. We're gonna be saving the spawn eggs into that. I'm just gonna create or scale down this to kind of match the egg, because we don't want anything that big, right? And I could possibly. Oh, it is way too small. Let's say like this, just to be sure. Nah, it's okay. Okay, so what I need to do in the trigger zone, I need to say that it is triggered by labeled entities, and these entities will be the balls, right? I think I have one label somewhere here. It's this one, if I'm not mistaken. Basketballs. Okay. Wait, I'm not sure about inviting this Mali guy. You guys didn't. So game logic template, because we're gonna be spawning this zone. And before I take it, that's correct. Okay. So when we create the trigger zone, no, I don't need to say it in here. So, hey Shadow, hi. on trigger enter, so when we actually get to the egg, I already have in the entity storage one, which is the player, I have the score. So set score of this player to score +1. But the problem is that the entity that is entering is the ball. It's not the player himself. So what we need to do is get possessor object and trigger entity as the object. So this is how we're gonna get the player from the ball. +1, and then we wanna despawn entity, and it's gonna be this egg, right? Of this, and then delete the logic itself. So we destroy. Yeah. Okay, Mellow. I don't think it's gonna work, Spirit. um, Mellow, I think that could work. Oh, sorry. Myslím, že by to mohlo fungovat, když budeš animovat a zároveň nastavovat pozici, ale upřímně si nejsem jistý. Já si myslím, že pokud animuješ už pozici, tak nastavení pozice by to mohlo přerušit, ale nastavování rotace třeba a u toho pozice tak asi určitě bude fungovat. Ale to chci vyzkoušet, já jsem nikdy neskoušel jak kombinovat. OK. Oh yeah, it's completely okay, Oknog. Oh, it's just like trying to put two animations of like two movement animations at the same object at the same time. You know, that one would be rotating on the x-axis, one would be rotating on the y-axis, and I have just a rotation instead of position. That doesn't matter. You know what I mean. Yeah, if you combine rotation and position, you can definitely do that because they are not interfering with each other. Okay, so I have prepared the trigger zone. Now I can take it with this thingy and delete the trigger zone. So now we have both of these, and I'm gonna go into the global storage itself and create a new instruction for spawning these. So spawn a new egg. And here we are gonna spawn game logic first. And that is gonna be game logic template. I'm gonna need another local variable for... I don't need it. Let's not make it like that. So new vector is the position, and we're gonna use some random numbers here. Let's say 300. Divided by 10. Y is gonna be sorry, 0.1, I think. Yeah, why not? Okay, and now we spawn the egg, right? So a random array item, get logic objects, and we'll say from this. So oh yeah, I should use the spawn as well, right? So spawn entity, and the template is gonna be this. I used the wrong spawn. This is going great, guys. Spawn entity, get random, and I'm just gonna say get position of this game logic. Okay, so now I just need to add the storage. To this variable, so we can assign the egg to the to the storage itself, like this. I'm gonna rename it just so it isn't confusing. Egg visual and trigger zone. Okay. Spawn a new egg. Okay, and we can call this every few seconds from some time trigger. And we can actually spawn more of those. We can repeat it by some random number. And we're gonna say that every like 3 seconds between 3 and 6 eggs spawn. And spawn an egg. Okay. So this is gonna take care of spawning the points. And what we need, wait, I could try, right? If it works. And then when this is finished, we can create the leaderboard and try this thing, try to connect the player score with the leaderboard. We're gonna say that the round is for like, I don't know, 2 minutes, and what you can collect in 2 minutes, that will be the score. Great. I really didn't think this through, did I? Ah. Okay, so I might have messed up a few things. Oh yeah, sorry, I wanted to 1 on the y-axis to make sure that I don't fall to terrain. Yeah. Limitations what variables could be used with the well, I think uh I don't know what you mean with the question, Oknok. Like, of course that you can only use numbers, since, you know, leaderboard is just that. So yeah, you can pass in only numbers. And yeah, I haven't used leaderboards either yet, so this is gonna be interesting. So this should work, and I don't know if this worked, to be honest. This spawning, did I get any error messages? No. So that should work. I'm gonna set this to 3 seconds actually. Wait, did I set the infinite repeat on the... I hope that it repeats infinitely already. Oh yeah, it's spawning them, great. Okay, so I collect them, and the UI is not updating, but I think that is because I didn't really call the update from anywhere. So yeah, the main thing is that we see them being collected, and now we just have to figure out how to connect this to the leaderboard. Oh no streams every day. So add new leaderboard in the game storage. This is gonna be called collected eggs. Ordering highest best, of course, because highest best is for, you know, collecting points, of course, and lowest best can be used for like lowest deaths or lowest time, whatever you'd like to do. Yeah, Tuesday we'll take a look at the text scripting. Confirm. Okay. Oh, there's nothing else to set here. Cool. So I'm just gonna create another time trigger, and this is gonna serve as like countdown for our round. So this is gonna be called game timer. And let's say it's gonna be only like 30 seconds now because we're just testing it. Does anyone remember if repeat count 1 will do it once or twice? We will see. So on trigger, we need to end the round, and that means to write out the scores into the leaderboard, right? So I'm just gonna oh yeah, I'm working on the chess. We finished the functionality, but I'm still working on like finishing the visuals, and then I'm gonna publish it. Oh yeah, sorry, Ortex. Controller, is it possible to restrain some time of movement? What do you mean your text? Like what time of movement? Like you can only enable type of movement. Like, can you give me an example of what you could, what you would want to restrain? Oh yeah, of course. Like because the movement isn't happening by itself. You are declaring how it's gonna move. So you can just not enable this because I had to add the jumping by script. It wasn't there by default. So you can for instance only read horizontal input and nothing else, for instance. Okay, update score. Hmm. What is the difference between set score and update score? This is going to be really interesting. I'm just going to go ahead and try set score of the player. And I think we will have to check if the score is higher than the previous one, of course. So for the online players, players. So for everyone online, this is going to be the player scope. Just in this game, collected eggs. And we want to do just like for a day, I think. The difference between this is that you can have different you can update different ones. So you can have one leaderboard for day, for month, and week, and you can just display these. That way you can when you're displaying them in like UI, or if you implement it like with the stone letters in the game, you can show everything. You can show the highest score for the day, for the month, and for the week. So I'm just gonna say all time here, just to just because we don't need this really now. Okay, so empty storage get score, right? And this is gonna be the item. Uh, I think we should plug in the if statement already, because we definitely need to update this only if the score is higher than the one that we already have. So I'm just gonna get the score of this player, and if it is if his score already written in the leaderboard is lower than this, then we can write this out. And I'm just gonna add else and add some debug text here. Write to console, score was lower than your best. Try harder. Okay. So the debug mode works that this tile returns true if you are in the game test in editor, and if you're already in the exported game, it's gonna return false, so nothing's gonna happen in there. Okay, so theoretically we are writing the score now, and now we need some UI to display this, right? So let's say some custom window, I guess. This is gonna be the leaderboard. And we're just gonna add some very, very ugly and wait, no. Okay, and in here, just gonna add image, just so it's not on a plain white. Oh, I like this. Okay. And perhaps don't leave it like that. Let's just, yeah, it's not gonna be pretty, but we're not here for pretty, right? And we're just gonna create some texts, and we're gonna be displaying like the players here. It's gonna be so we're gonna be writing in the place and the player through script, I think. And this is gonna be 50? No, minus 50. Cool. That's 100. And minus 150. One more. Minus 200. Yeah, I think this is gonna be enough. They are sorted. Cool. Okay, so I am gonna... Oh, good night, Spirit. Feel better. I'm just gonna hide these, and I'm gonna enable them only if we need it. If we have enough players to display. I think we can create a function for this in the global storage to update. This is gonna be update leaderboard. And SA HUD. So you can see it like all the time, the top players. It is a window? Did I mess that up? Oh, it is a window. Now I'm angry. I wanted a HUD. What do I do? Do I redo it? Can't I copy this from one place to another? That would be so cool if it was possible. Please. I hate it so much. Okay. Okay. It's okay. I'm enjoying redoing things. It's very funny, very much fun, and everything is great. Hate it. So this is gonna be the the empty that's gonna contain all the texts. This is gonna be list, and the text is gonna be on the top. And yeah, I'm gonna leave the text. I'm way too angry for writing the text again. It is not really needed anyways. Yeah, I'm gonna be setting the text for all of these later, so it's not really important what the text says right now. The thing that I was writing before, it was just like, I don't know, to keep things clear. Oh yeah, no, you can't add them. They already have to be in there, and then you can just change it. So so you should always like prepare something like this, and then you can of course change it. I think I've shown this pretty well in the video where I create the list for items that are pickable and not pickable by the little cat that I had. Yeah, probably. Yes, thank you. It would be covering the text. I think there are only tiles to change the position and the rotation of it, isn't it? Okay, so I can delete this. I know we've added the change of position and rotation of the widgets, so you can change that now, but I don't think there is adding of those. If there is, it's great, but I don't think so. Uh, uh, uh. Children count and get child widget. Get custom this HUD. And I need another loop. Wait, I need only one loop. I mean, I need the second one, but this second one is going to be count with. So for each item, and this is going to be the players. So we're going to be updating it for the online players, and this is going to be here. And now I want to count from 0 to get children count. And that is going to be the list. And here I want to get the child of this, and child order is going to be this. Right? So I'm going to go through all of these. And for all of them, I'm going to be returning the values from the leaderboard. Get segment scope. Okay, if I get the segment, why is the result just a single? Shouldn't it be like an array? I should try writing these to the console. Oh right. So I need that. Get items, leaderboard, and I need that as the segment here. So I'm just guessing here. But wait, I'm gonna do it here. Because then I'm gonna have this variables. This is gonna be an empty variable, and this is gonna be where I'm gonna keep the score if I ever manage to retrieve it. Get segment scope game, collect tags from all time, from 0 to 6, So I don't really need to go further than that. And on result, I'm gonna set this score info to this items, and as the segment, I'm gonna pass in the result. Oh, it doesn't really matter. I'm just even if there was less boxes, I'm gonna be checking if it's lower than something that we already have. Because I'm checking for the number of these, so it's okay. Okay, so in here, I'm gonna say if this number is lower than the length of this, of the score info, then I can set the text of the widget. And I have to enable that widget because by default I'm hiding all of them. Okay, and I have no idea in what in this one. Yeah, I'm just guessing here, but I think that you first need to send this request to get segment, and by this you are defining from which place to which you wanna return, because like the leaderboard is should be stored somewhere with as an array of the players, right? So if I do the scope from 0 to 6, it should return first 6 places, I'm guessing, and that should pass in the result that we can just save here. Again, I'm just guessing. But for now, I think we should, instead of this, whole thing, I'm just gonna write to console because I need to find out in which state they are returned, right? Mello, don't start with this again. Come on. You're better than this. Okay, so on end of the game. Wait, where was it? Game trigger. Okay, so when I update the score, I'm gonna call the update leaderboard. Okay, and I'm gonna set the time for 10 seconds, 20, and oh, another debug text here, just like leaderboard updated. And I'm gonna set the repeat count to like 10, just so we can see more updates. I think I'm gonna have overlay of the scores right now because there is another one with the basic score that I had before, but it should be okay. I don't think I see the leaderboard, so I didn't check the score was lower than your best. It means that there's already something higher for some reason. It should update when the it should update every time we end the round. So after the 20 seconds or what I said there. So this should be visible to new player, of course. And we had some errors here already. Invaluable segment range. I think I need that part, to be honest. Because I need something to pass it into the segment here to get the array. Oh yeah, I can definitely just get the score. I still need the players, right? For this. So I don't mind this with just the tests. But I'm not writing it in, so I need to write it in. Oh wait, I'm writing it in on the here, yeah. Set score. Okay, let's see. I think theoretically it should always return higher numbers since I'm not setting the score back to 0 at any place. Oh, I really need some particle effects for that. NaN, this is great. Explosions, exactly. Something's not right. No. We have nothing. Okay, what I'm really confused about is that there is supposed to be a default value, but we can't really set the default value here, can we? Wait, if I create a new variable here, and I'm just guessing, okay. No. Delete the score. This is really strange. Okay, wait, go back to the update here. Oh, the problem could be that I'm checking for if the score is lower than a number, but the score is at some point none. So what I should do is pack everything here and check if this is not equal to none. So if it's not equal to none, then this is going to be done. And else, we're just going to set the score. Because we will know that it's still none, and that is the default value, right? Hopefully. I'm really hoping that this is going to work. I should make the ball faster. This is way too slow for this type of game. Everything is so far. No, still. And we're still getting inside there for some reason. Yeah, so I'm just gonna... The problem is that I don't want to restart the number at the spawn. Because... Wait! Can we check if something is a number? I think we have a function for that, don't we? Is not a number. Haha, this is gonna be better than this. So we're gonna say if this score is not a number, so I have to negate this. If it's not a number, in case it returns true, then we negate it to false, and it's gonna go... Yes, I think so. Okay. Let's try this. I like this testing stuff. Did I mess the not up? I have no idea. Ha ha ha! 4. Okay. And if we keep collecting, we are not restarting it, so it should definitely update to a higher number when we get to the next one. This is a long one, isn't it? 12! Nice! So it is updating. And now, when we know that we fixed this part, we can try and plug in the part when we get the segment. And I suppose that the segment is going to be more complicated, like two-dimensional array, because you need it to like have the information about the player as well as the score, or it's going to return players, you know, somehow, and then you can get the information about the player. Well, we'll see. Okay, so edit. Okay, so we don't need this for now. And nope, this. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna try it this way and see what it returns. It was the bottom one? I have no idea anymore. Let's just see. Ah, another one. Hello, sir. We should add like bunny ears to the balls. But they wouldn't be working correctly if it had follow on them. Oh no, invalid. Why is it invalid though? Is it just because I am trying from 0 to 6 and I don't have 6 players yet? No, it makes no sense. Okay, wait a second. You know what I should have done? Yeah, cool. Like, we don't want this get position player because that is not really relevant, right? No, because get position would return you like the player's position in the leaderboard. So you could like tell someone that he's on the 10th position. But yeah, it's not what we want. And this returns player info, and you can like select information from that. So yeah, okay, that makes sense. Update get, and this works with the segment. So it is this from 0 to 0. You could use the get position as a child number. What do you mean? Like, yeah, if I get what you mean, probably. You just get the information about the player no matter where he is in the leaderboard. Oh yes, yeah, you could, but again, the player could be like 25th, and you would only have like you can't have that many mm, children, you know. So yeah, we definitely need to do it like this. I'm gonna try from 0 to 1 and check if perhaps this is caused by not having enough information in the leaderboard. This is frustrating. Yeah, just fill it with text. Okay, still invalid. What do you want with the range? It's not telling me what it expects. Yeah, I'm gonna try 0 to 0. Like it's true that if there is only one person here, that is gonna be just 0 theoretically, right? Ugh. Makes no sense though. So I can basically just wait because I'm not gonna collect more of the eggs than I already wrote in. Again, invalid range. Why though? Should I try 1 to something? Is the 0... Like, is the 0 here incorrect? Does it take like first place? If it is, I will be so mad. Like, it would make sense because come on! I will set the time to something lower. I don't like the waiting. What? It did update. So it seems I got the information and there was no error. So we might have fixed it with that. I'm gonna try for another update just to check that I am not mistaken. Yeah, so somehow the 1 works, but that should be 1 by default. Yeah, the score is not displayed. I have no idea. Yeah, I removed the display information in here. So right now I don't think I'm displaying it anywhere. Oh, I have the right to console here. Before I was just using this get score to write to console. Yeah, I think that is a bug that we should definitely make them change that so it so it displays the from one by default. Because this is really confusing. For each item in score info. Okay, so I'm gonna Why? This is all player info. I don't know what this. Can I write out the result by itself? Like this. I'm gonna set this to 10 seconds. So if I wanted to display only the result by itself, it's so weird. Oh yeah, I am very impatient. Oh no, it's so far. I need at least one egg. Okay. So the result is gonna return just this. Great. So it seems like you have to plug it to something, but nowhere is specified how. I'm gonna blow my brains out. Okay, okay. Think. We do need that segment though. Like if you wanna display some players from first to something, we will need this. Because this is the way to get the information about the players, right? Because if I use anything else, I still need to plug in the player. And we don't know, we don't want the information about the player himself. We want the top players, even if they're not in our game right now. Okay. Oh, it's just, the information just leads to the, okay. Oh yeah, I did use get items of the leaderboard segment already, Shadow. I already have it here, and I'm just passing it to the score info. Like I can try not to pass it into the variable. Maybe it's messing something up, but I highly doubt that. Or this item is actually just a player info that we need to furthermore pass into this. So if I do like get name, I'm gonna copy this. Yeah, I know. I just want to try if it returns anything. If it returns my name, then we good. This is very confusing though. Okay, let's do this. There's one icon collected. Ooh, go. I didn't. Okay, so it didn't write anything, but it could be only because it doesn't have any information yet. No. Maybe it stops. Maybe it's not working because of something. Because after the first try, it stopped writing out this, right? What it was writing before. Let's try again. Go for it, dude. Ah, I got 1 point. That's enough. Nothing. Oh, yeah, they definitely need someone. We would need like someone just working on the big key instead of having other responsibilities. Oh yeah, not yet, sadly. Maybe if I just search through for result, no. Items, no. Segment, no. Hmm. You know what? It is possible that it's not working in in the editor because I think this will be uploading the information somewhere else outside the editor, right? Hmm. You know what? I'm gonna try to export this game. I'm gonna believe that this is gonna work. So at least we don't have any errors. So I'm just gonna delete this. Sometimes you just have to take the leap of faith, right? Wait. Yeah, let's just finish this and then just export it and hope for the best. So what I'm gonna display here is gonna be the get rank. Gonna get 3. No, 4. Wait, 5. Player. This is this player. No, wait, that doesn't make sense. Not this player. I need to make it circle through all of the players here. So I'm gonna return this. Like that, yes. And the score info is gonna be here. So instead of, yes, like this. So this is just for to make sure it's it's updating for all the players in the game, and then this is gonna be the player that it should use, right? This is gonna be the player placed. It makes no sense, but why not? So get rank, then gonna have a dot space get name. Yeah, you left click, not right click. If you left click on it, you can do this, and the same thing goes with this number tile and the vector tile, I think, as well. Okay, get name. What else do we have here? Get score. Okay. Oh yeah, exactly. I think the logic one is the most obvious one, but you can have like 10. That is insane. True. Okay. This should be it, right? So for each player plays I'm just gonna try this. I know it's not gonna return anything right now. I just want to see if I don't have any error, and then we can upload it and try it. Okay, so it looks like it's working. Back up. Good. One thing before I export, I wanna set the score of the players to 0 when we reach like the end of one round. So set score of this player to 0. Do I have 0 somewhere? I don't. Score is gonna be 0. Good. And I am gonna go to this custom HUD, edit layout, and the score. Now, the score. We're gonna move up like here. It doesn't really matter, but just so it isn't in the way of the score of the leaderboard. And I'm gonna be updating it when we collect something. So in this trigger zone, edit script, set text, set text widget. Widget. Custom HUD player is gonna be the possessor, widget ID, score, to get score. Okay, so this is just so we're updating the score. Now I'm gonna change the time to say 40, so we do have time to improve. I'm also gonna change this to 2 seconds so we fill it in with the eggs. And yeah, let's just try and export this. Let's not think about it too much. Oh wait, yeah, and I'm gonna leave this and this not enabled, just so we can enable it here, and it's not working until we actually start the game. So set enabled. Wait, not game logic here, right? Oh, thank you for the follow, Mr. Bintg. Thank you. Okay, time trigger, game timer, true. Okay. Ah, that's so nice. Thank you. Alknog is gonna be influencing her family to follow me. Okay, collecting points. Use the video need thumbnail description. Test of the leaderboard. Ignore. Export and publish. Sure. Oh, please. If this works, I'd be so happy. Like, it would be bad that you can't test it in the editor, but it is kind of it kind of makes sense that you can't. So yeah, just give me a second. I'm just clicking through the workshop. Oh no, it wants some image. Do I have some image? I only have memes. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, I added a meme as the save and publish. Oh, sorry. I can try it afterwards. Definitely, Oknog. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the main menu and... No, I didn't update the thumbnail. I just added another picture, not the thumbnail. Yeah, I just placed it in, yeah. Official dedicated server. Okay. Join. Can someone join me as well, just so we have more people there before I start it? If someone is actually in the game right now, be cool. Okay, so we'll just wait. Thank you guys. Oh, I can't jump. This is interesting. I had no idea. Hi. No, Mello, don't join. It's okay. Yeah, we already have Shadow to defeat me. I need to minimize the number of people that are destroying me in games. Okay. Let's do this. The ball's just rolling around. This is cool. Yeah, Mello is gonna be like random jumps of the ball, or it's just gonna fly away or something like that. How long did I set in? Leaderboard updated, but nothing is written. Oh no. Yeah, exactly. It just says updated, but nothing is happening. Oh no. This is really bad. I was kind of hoping that this is gonna work. Why, Shadow? No, these are mine! These are mine! Wait, did I just jump over you? Yeah, so it just says updated, but so it's not working. What? Oh yeah, maybe if you have like fur pants, you are too hot. So that is not working. So I might have been wrong with naming this game with the word easy in it. Okay. That one's on me. I should have named it battery very hard. Oh, see, I have a low battery now, guys. It's okay. Until we reach battery critical, we don't really need to have to worry about that. Yeah, exactly. Okay. So this is not working. Yeah, when we reach the battery's critical, then I need to plug myself in, otherwise I shut down. Hmm. Okay, maybe I can just for now unplug the custom window because we're still risking that I am messing something up in there. And just write to console. Oh yeah, I already tried to implement this shadow, but the problem with the rotating this with the secondary movement of the camera is that it is not completely it is very hard to keep it the same as the camera is rotating. So at some point your camera would be slightly off and wouldn't be in front of the ball anymore. So then I just abandoned that idea and went for it like that. Like I really wanted to do that, and the first time I was trying to implement this, I was working with the rotation of the mouse, but I couldn't figure out how to make sure that it's perfectly balanced. I will try later again, but we will see. Okay, one more thing. When I was writing out only the player placed and not like this whole thing, it wasn't writing anything as well, right? So maybe this. Hmm. I'm gonna try and write the player placed as well. And now I'm gonna publish to the workshop. Export and update. Yes. Yeah, I did. I enabled it. I hope. Yes, I did. Okay, quit to main menu. We will see now. So it should be updated already, and I hope it is updated. Oh no. Oh, I'm just gonna try it myself now. We will see if it writes something to the console. Oh yeah, sorry. I didn't know if you guys were connecting or not. Oh no, sorry. You can try to use the lever again. It should be okay, right? No, it won't because it will try to. Okay, I just got a new ball. It's okay. Oh, leaderboard updated. It didn't write out anything, so. I think. No, no. I wish it was just this easier text that I would have invisible text. Okay, I need to make some change to the game so I can tell if it's already updated or not. So first thing I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna use another console here. And then each item should be separated by pluses if there is anything to display. Because like this, we will get to know if there is more items in here, at least. Okay. Right to console, right to console. And I am gonna place an egg here and here. Unpickable ones just to see that it is a new version. Okay, I think this is one of the features that should have been commented right when it went out. It's not my fault, knock knock, they'll be mad. Okay, it should be there. Oh yeah, I could write the that is a good point. Oh no. I should have thought of that. Yeah, but updated here is 1108, so it should already be like that, right? I'm gonna try. If there are 2 eggs now, we are good. I'm sorry, Bob. Oh my god. Okay, so this is not a new version yet. The field covered with it just turned on the old version of the map where the eggs were spawning the whole time I was in the editor. Did you guys already leave the map? I think you can't be there for it to like close this session. There is someone? Oh no. Okay, I'll hide it. Wait, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna host a new game on Pink Pity. Wait, no, I need that. I can't really rent another server, can I? Oh, I barely can for a month. Good. Yeah, this is gonna be the best. Hosting. No, games. So confused. Host a game. No game assigned. Collecting points. Hehe. Points. Hard. Okay, the password is 42, guys. Wait, what? Okay. Please. Okay, cool. This is the new one. Let's do this. What? How comes? Just hold it. Are you charging the jump? Oh yeah, yeah. Because there are already custom, custom controls enabled at that time, so the space is overridden. Well, this is sad. So it's still not working. And I have lags, by the way, when I'm hosting the server like this. So it's still not writing anything out. Like, I'm sure that it has to work somehow. So I know that we already have one game from the programmer that was actually creating this feature. And it's working, so there has to be something we can do. Okay, so now I'm gonna delete one egg. Smart. Okay. Go to the global storage. Well, we are not using the UI at this point, Shadow, though. I disconnected the UI completely. See, I'm just using right console. So the problem is here somewhere. Like, the thing is that this, I think this score info has the length of 0 for some reason. What if I change the period to day? I'm just guessing at this point already. But get items, get max rank. Her. Yeah, I can get length, but we already know that because there were no zeros, no plus signs displayed, so it didn't go to the loop at all. I can write it out. Get length and write to console here. We can even do it here to make sure that the result itself is longer. From 1 to 5. I'm gonna try to change this to the day this time. I don't know why it would matter, but okay, one more thing. I don't think this needs to be in a game set. That would make sense. Oh my gosh. I didn't write change log again. But at least I realized I forgot. Has to count for something. No. Why didn't it? Oh, I think I deleted the wrong. I'm glad I didn't delete this. Good. Welp points. Welp points. Let's try this. I hope it's already updated. I kind of forgot to think about that. Yeah, okay. I think you don't really need to, even you Shadow. Oh, you are already here. Good. Let's do this. Let's roll. Next one will be just already expecting this to fail. It will be called no points. Please, dude. Just like give me something. Like I would be so happy if it returned at least some error or something. Yeah, I got 2 as well for some reason. So wait, is it like, does it mean that the length of the array is 2, but we are not seeing any update? Like we're not seeing the information from it. But at least there are 2 things for some reason. So there are 2 players saved, but which is another weird thing because Oknog has already played. Yeah, your text, it is one from 1 to 5, but if there is less players than that, it is logical that it's not gonna return the empty ones. Oh yeah, it's true. If I update the game, the progress is lost. Yeah, it's possible. I'm just gonna try and change the update, the console, right, and then from 1 to 0. I really don't know what you mean your text here. So yeah, we'll definitely check the length again. I'm gonna try and delete this player place and try to just write out this. Yeah, exactly. Get score player, and even like when we're using 1, even if this was supposed to be a 0, so it would still return from 1. Yeah, it was only 2 of us logged in your tags. It worked correctly. It wasn't just like writing out anyone. Now I delete another Easter egg. Haha! Yes. See? The best changelog ever. Okay, quit to main menu. This is so weird. Oh no, where am I going? Collecting points. Haha, it's here. We can use the official dedicated server now. I think it should be clean now. It should have 0 eggs altogether. If it does, it's good. If not, I'm just gonna host again on the server. Yes, good. So can you please join just so we can see that there is 3 people? Oh, that's weird. Ugh. Can roll, I can't jump. So tired. I really don't like the outfit. It's not better, but it's not worse either. Nah, sleep is overrated. Hello. Is Shadow coming or not? Wait, I can't wave anymore. Why can't I wave? Okay. Yeah, I broke waving. It's very good. This is something I never thought I would achieve. Break even the waving functionality. Okay, start the game. No, it's not possible, your tags. Please work. At least something. If it displayed like you're stupid, you're doing it wrong, that would just feel so good. 3. So we do have 3 people there, but we're doing something wrong. Oh, I haven't tried the returning the value alone without the second one. You got some error? Oh. So, can you send me the screen of the error, please? Wait, you can? And he will remain sitting? If yes, I'm sorry, Ortex, and I had no idea. Like, if it's possible, it's great. I just really didn't know. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. So I don't think I've tried this way before. Like online, I mean. Player placed. Score. No, leaderboard. Hmm. Nest. I didn't. Oh, never mind. Now it's gonna be a as opposed to the changelog which had haha or haha. So good. You can make fake players, but I don't think you could actually upload information to leaderboards for them. So it would work for different systems, but not this one. Let's do this. Empty changelog. This is good. I wonder if it's all is it already be clean? Nope. Okay, I'm gonna host this one on the server. Ah, 42. What? I said this. Join. Yeah, I'm right now. I'm really interested if it's gonna work or not somehow. So you have to find out. Okay, so I am hosting the game. If you guys are busy, it's okay. It's just at this point, any information written out is gonna be okay. And it writes out 3 right now. So what is up with that? Huh. Okay, the strange thing is that it is possible that it can't hold the information outside of the... That is possible. I might know where I fudged up. Because when I'm assigning something to the variable, as I told you before, I am just creating a reference. So by the time it arrives under the... By the time it arrives down here, it could already be empty. So what if I use this in here? Whoopsie daisy. And just... Yeah, I don't need a score info at this point. I would just do this. Who's dumb now? Aha! I think this could work. I have high hopes for this. Of course, it's gonna be sad because I'm the one who fudged it up to begin with, because I didn't realize I'm not copying it and I'm just creating a reference to something that won't exist at that point. Yeah, that was my bad. So yeah, I think this is it. I'm 80% sure that this is it. Aha! Good. B. 42. Okay. No, why is it doing this? Enable. Join. Oh no, it's not broken. I am positive that it is just because of my uselessness. Now watch. Wait, where are the eggs? There they are. Oh, please let it work. Like, right now I could have an error because I used only the result part and not the get player name, get score, and blah blah blah. But I think it will work much better now. Except for that error. Yes! Yes, we got an error. I've never been so happy about an error message in my life. Okay, so I figured out what I screwed up before, and it was my bad. It was nothing wrong with the feature itself. So I'm gonna explain it one more time. Guys, if you can pay attention just so you know what is going on. I had this local variable and I set this variable to get items, but at the point where this segment ends, this information is lost. And since this variable is just a reference to this, it was it reset itself to 0. So if I call everything in here and call this, then it's gonna work. Because at this point I have all the information I need. If I needed to get it outside of this segment, I could create a copy of this array with this clone array. Clone, yeah. If I clone the array like this, it would work outside of that. But it didn't because I didn't do it. Okay, so let's try this. Oh, I'm so happy right now. I'm gonna get... Ah, yes. Publish. Publish to the workshop. Mwahahaha. Oh, if this works. Ah, I should have plugged in the UI already. Nah, never mind. It's kind of stupid that it took me 2 hours just because of that mistake. Oh, Pixie. Hey, Nicole. Wahaha, official. I hope the official is gonna work already. Yeah, Shadow, we already said this, like, well, at some point on this stream, that it's not working because the scores are saved on the server somewhere. So that is why it wasn't working before. I mean, in the editor. So yeah, getting the segment and stuff like that will work only outside because it is connecting to a server to get the information. Okay, it doesn't matter what I collect now, but I should get the information when we... Okay, if I was this excited and now it's not gonna work, I am just gonna quit. Yes, it works! Yes! Oh my god. Okay. Good. Good job, Naru. Thank you, Yartex. I mean, it's okay, but no problem. It was so easy. Yes, I'm super happy, Nicole, actually. And this is the first time I regret not having the applause here, because now I would be listening it on a loop. Okay, so I'm gonna change this and fill in this thing. Yeah, exactly. Next version is collecting easy, super easy, child's play. Whoever fails is just messing around. Player place. So I don't need the player place like that, like that, like that. I'm just gonna plug in what I've created before, and the text is correct. Cool. And set a name with true. Good. Save. Just done. I know I screwed up multiple times, but... Yes, everyone is super nice to me because no one is like you, Nicole. Well, maybe Mello. Mello is a little bit like Nicole. You two would, like... You could really be friends. You were equally mean. You shouldn't be lying in front of so many people. Perfect name. Okay, let's do this. Can you guys join me for the last time just to be sure? If you can. And someone else could join as well. Mello, could you possibly join? Just so we have like some player that is not already saved there. Ah. Yeah, take off your pants. That's gonna help. I'm quite literally on fire. That's true. Oh yeah, I know you were dying. You were dying because you had the fur pants on. I'm gonna take off the hat actually. I'm starting to think Melo is not gonna join. Melo doesn't like us. I hope I uploaded the right version. 42. I'm gonna give you my wizard hat for an egg. Oh, this is the greatest deal in the history of deals. Wait, what? I didn't lose the hat? Oh, I did. That was weird. Okay, cool. Let's start. Oh, sorry. We started anyways. It's weird that you can't find it though. Mine. No one say anything. This never happened. Why? Oh no! Yeah, well, nothing happened. That's the point. Wait, what happened? Did Shadow see something? Come on, Shadow. Don't be mean. Oh yeah, because I'm using score info here. Haha. Come on, Shadow. But yeah, you've earned this, so of course you can do that. So set enabled. This should work. I hope I didn't have any other mistakes there. For each placed. Okay. I'm gonna change the time to 20 because we are waiting for so long. And I'm gonna duplicate the just to check it. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. So that's my mistake, because I was using the length of an empty array, so nothing happened there. It was like if I as like 0 or 1 was bigger than 0, then do nothing. Cool. Quit. It is so hard when I can't try it without, you know, going through all of this. Okay, okay. Yeah, select server. I'm getting to the stage where I'm just trying to reason with the game. Wait, what? Where is the text from Oknog? Exactly. There will be some interesting info. I like it. Except I have nothing to offer. I'll take it. I didn't take off my hat. I can't. Ah, oh, no, come on. I'll trade you for my hat then. You can't run from me. Cool. Your Oknog Shadow. We don't need Mellow. Who needs Mellow? Let's go. Best deal ever. You look great in the hat. Oh, come on. Ah. Wait, why is it Oknog? Oh. That's favoritism. Yeah, okay. Show me the glitch. I don't know where you are, though. Where can I find you, Shadow? Which ball are you? I should display names above. Is this you? Oh, that's cool. It's strange, but okay. I need to fix this. No slacking off. I think I might have messed up something. She had the lowest score of all, and yet she took all places. Yeah, it clearly likes you. Oh wait, no, it's not in. This is really strange. I will check real quickly here. Yeah, that would be cool as well, but I would need to create random all the balls here and create templates from them. So we can, but it would take time. I don't want to do that now. So yeah, I will add it later, the colored balls, but not now. No, it is a weld because the ball itself has the anchor point uh, at the bottom of it. So I had to weld it together and move the anchor point to the middle so I can turn it. Okay, so why didn't this work? It just returned the player placed for each and every one. It was Oknok for some reason. Uh, this loop is to go through all the. Oh yeah, that's true. Oh, because I used the for each player placed, and yeah, you're right. Sorry. Even Oknok is now correcting me in editor. This is very depressing, and I mean it in the best way possible. It was a joke. I hope you're not mad at me right now. That's true. So index I. I just felt like I need to make some joke to make myself feel better for screwing up so much. Okay, this should work. From 0, so 0th is gonna return 0th item here and get its name. First is gonna do the same thing, second one is gonna do the same thing. Yeah, that is true. -1 is not my strong suit. And it fixes everything. Wait, I'm gonna delete 1 again. Please just work. But I think this will fix it. But the good thing is that we already know how it works, the leaderboard itself. Why are you sad? Don't be sad. Wait, but it is so frustrating when you learn that it was just a stupid mistake in the end. Yeah, it was kind of depressing, but Okay, I'm gonna be a little optimistic here. This could work. See, I'm not going overboard just to be safe. Okay, one more try, guys, and this time it's gonna work. Wait, I need my shoes. Wait, did you already start in? Ah, Shadow. No, Shadow, we all know you wanted to win. Okay, it's working. Oh, let's start over. Shadow has 33. How? Oh yeah, because it is from the version where it was 40 seconds instead of 20. Ah. I don't think we can beat Shadow at that, but I would like Oknok to, yeah, Oknok moved to 7. So yeah, it's working. Yeah, that's true. Oh right, you were waiting here when I left, and you just went on collecting more points. Oh no! That is very smart, Shadow. I really didn't think about that before. Oh yeah, it's already starting to fill up. So I really need someone to like get better than someone. Mello is already at 21, so if he manages to collect 22 this time, he should get ahead of me. I just want to see if it updates correctly, and then we can call it a day. Come on, Mello, try harder. Wait, Mello isn't here. Why am I encouraging him when he's not here? Yeah, I would just I see your text that you got from 12 to 15, but I need like to change the placement. So I would need like Oknok to get 16. Just to get ahead of you. Not going to happen. I like how optimistic about your collecting skills you are. I'm just gonna wait for the next update and then I'm gonna collect the hell out of it. No, wait, I'm already second, so no. Okay, I'm just gonna stand. It's your job to get 22. Guys, you're not doing a very good job here. You're embarrassing me. No, it's really hard to collect that much in such a short time, so I get it. We never should have lowered the time to to 20 seconds. 16, 17, 18. Come on, 20. Please. 22, 23, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's because we ran out of the updates. I said only 10 updates. I was so excited. It was very suspicious when I was getting such a high number. Okay, so we figured it out in the end. It's very easy if you're not trolling like me. For me, even 23 is a bit too much. So, okay, look, just to sum it up, the set get score is kind of easy, but the main thing is that this get segment, once you get it, this result, you can plug in to this get items. And this get items will only contain these items until, like, in the scope of this this get segment function. So once you get to the end, like in this for each loop, for instance, this is gonna be empty. Okay, if I use this, it's not gonna work. And even if I set the info here and then use this score info, it's not gonna work because this score info is only creating a reference to this get items leaderboard, okay? So it just knows where it is stored and it's pointing at that. So whenever I would call this set score info, it will just point to the original array. If I want this to work outside, I need to use clone array. So clone array, this, and this will create a copy that should remain here, and then you can use it outside of this array. I can try it quickly, but now we would need to restart then, and we wouldn't get we would need to get higher scores. Ugh. No, I'm not gonna try it. So you can try it, and I'm gonna try it off stream because I don't want to keep you here much longer. It has been over 2 hours already. Cool, cool, cool. So yeah, it got a little longer than I thought. So so I'm sorry for making you kill 2 hours of your life. And yeah, I hope it helps somehow. I'm gonna put it into some more more packed form and more clear form without breaking things, and put it as a video on YouTube, where I will just simply create the leaderboard without these problems, and you can definitely check that out later. I'm sorry, Artex. Okay, so thanks for stopping by, guys. Hope it helped, and see you next time. Bye.